Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with Essential Oil Stories, back to create for you the channel that I wish I had when I was first using essential oils. Today I'm cleaning a stove from our 2007 travel trailer we just got, and I wanted to show you how you can use lemon essential oil as basically a degreaser. So this is non-toxic. You can see how I've cleaned a lot of this, and this is the spot that I have left. So I thought, well, we will give this a little bit of a go, making a video showing you what I'm doing. Now I've got all these wires in the way, so it's going to be a little bit more tricky. I'm just going to kind of do a spot to show you. That's probably a little bit too much baking soda, but oh well. Alright, so then I drop a few drops of doTERRA lemon essential oil, and then I add some just pure water, and I'm basically just kind of making a paste. So I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a go. This was actually, I think this was some of the worst part of this project. So I like to just kind of swish that off a little bit. And you can kind of see, like if you're making progress or if you need to add anything. Yeah, you're kind of just making a paste. Another thing that I was working with is this Bon Ami bar cleaner. It's, I don't know, it's just kind of a barkeeps use it. I don't know, but I didn't have very much in there, so I thought I would bring my baking soda out here too. I just kind of been using both of them. They're both working good. Anyway, but I like simple, everyday household products. Hopefully, guys, it's hard for me to see. I think I'm getting in the shadow. I'm going to try to stay out of the shadow for you. Some of this is a little bit rusty and corroded, and some of it is greasy. So I don't expect this to clean corrosion off. I'm just trying to clean the grease off. And you get the point, so I'm going to push pause and come back to you in a little bit and show you what the results are. Okay, I ran into a problem around these tubes and wires, and I discovered that a short little screwdriver makes a great little scraping tool. Really gently helps to scrape up some of that stuff that you've loosened up. I've kind of washed it away, so you can't really tell, but I just wanted to give you that little tip around small areas. And when the toothbrush stops working as well, try a little screwdriver, but very gently. Okay guys, so don't mind my son doing mechanic work in the background. This quadrant, I'm calling this quadrant done. It does not look near as good as the other ones. However, I am a recovering perfectionist, and I have to remind myself, done is better than perfect. That's correct. Done is better than perfect. So now I do need to clean this quadrant over here, but that'll be my last quadrant. This is pretty clean. It's not greasy. It's just a little bit dry, crusty stuff now. But it's not greasy anymore. It just has a little bit of some rust and metal corrosion. If you really wanted to, yeah, you could take a little soft sandpaper and kind of work on that a little bit, but it's not really necessary. It's just an old RV trailer, so we're just trying to clean things up a little bit. And now I'm on to the next thing. So you guys have a great day, and remember, essential oils are not weird if they work. and I will leave a link in the description below if you want to get yourself a bottle. Take care.